What's up, everybody? How you feeling? It's your boy, Pastor Dre. Look, I'm excited, man. No, not about my shirt. Let your haters be your motivators. No, I'm not excited about that. I'm excited about this new online course that I just finished on how to design a ministry website. So now you have no more excuses of why your church cannot have a website. This tutorial will walk you through step by step on how to design a website for your church, your business, your ministry, your youth ministry, your music group, your singing group, whatever it may be. It's time to take your online presence to the next level. You have no more excuses. It's 2015, man. It's time to take your online presence to another level. So go ahead. Let's get into this course, step-by-step tutorial on how to design a ministry website. Here we go. Let's do it. All right, everybody. The first thing you want to do is when you're designing a website is you want to decide on your domain name. What is a domain name? A domain name is what people will type into this bar here to find your website. For example, you got yahoo.com, you have facebook.com, you have google.com. So whatever you want people to type in to find your website is going to be your domain name. Now, I would recommend you coming up with about 3 or 4 choices. So say I'm making a website for a youth ministry. My domain could be onfireyouthministry.com or .org or .net, .com being the most popular. I could decide radicalyouthministry.com or youthministryonfire.com. Okay? So you want to decide on about 2 or 3, maybe even 4, just in case your first selection is not available. Now, how do you go about checking the availability of your domain? You're going to go to your browser and you're going to type in learn to create a website.com. I've set all this up for you. Okay? It's going to take you to a page where you can search for domain names and see if they're available. So let's go ahead and do that. So our first priority is going to be onfireyouthministry.com. So what you want to do is you see where it says search a domain. You click right there. So let's type On Fire Youth Ministry. Okay, and we're going to hit search. Then it's going to take you to another page where you're going to check the availability. So let's go ahead and see when that comes up. Okay, here we go. So right here you want to check, you want to type it in again, On Fire Youth Ministry. And you want to click where it says check availability. It's going to let you know if it's available or not. All right, congratulations. onfireyouthministry.com is available. So that is how you check and search for a domain name. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up some hosting, and we're going to purchase the hosting and our domain name. So stay tuned for the next lecture. Okay, great. Now that onfireyouthministry.com is available, we're going to go ahead and decide and choose on our web hosting. We're going to click Order Now. And then right here, there's going to be a little thing that pops up that says Hosting. See that? No hosting. Click to add. We want to add hosting. So go ahead and click that. Now you have a few options. For $8 a month, you get 30 gigabytes, 1,000 gigabytes of bandwidth, and you get 3 domains that you can host on your same server. So you can choose up to 3 domain names. For premium, $12 a month, you get 50 gigabytes, 2,000 gigabytes of bandwidth, and includes 3 domain names. Now, also you get a control panel, 24/7, 365 support for each package. For advanced, $15 a month, you get unlimited HDD, 4,000 gigabytes bandwidth, and includes 10 domain names. Now for gold, you get, for $20, you get unlimited HDD, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited domains, global CDN, control panel, and 24/7, 365-day support. So we're going to decide on, let's do the advanced. We're going to click Order Now. Now once again, we're getting our hosting. We've already got our domain name. It's available. We're excited. So let's get our hosting. I like to explain it like this. Your domain name is your address, and your hosting is going to be your house. Okay? So you want to use a domain already in my shopping cart. That's what you want. Here's your domain that you want to choose, onfireyouthministry.com. or whatever you chose. Of course, yours is going to be different. It should be. Click to continue. All right. Now you got shared hosting plans. We chose the $15 a month. You could also do annually. It's up to you. Scroll down. Here's a few add-ons. Site backups. I would recommend that. Spam expert add-on. I don't mess with that. Add to cart. Exciting, huh? You're getting one step closer to designing your own website. All right. So onfireYouthMinistry.com has hosting. You could do ID protection. It's up to you. I'm not going to mess with that. Okay. So now, once you've decided your domain name and your hosting package, here is our shared hosting plan. OnFireYouthMinistry.com, $15 a month. We added site backups, $1.95. And we have our domain registrations for a year on FireYouthMinistry.com for $10. Our subtotal for today is $26.95. Total due today is $26.95. Total recurring, $16.95 a month, and $10 annually. But I'm going to show you how you could get rid of this $15 and get your first month of hosting free. See where it says promotional code? Click, type in free month. Okay, promotional code, free month. Hit validate code. This is going to change. There you go. It went from $26.95, $15 discount. Now you only got to pay $11.95 today. All right? That's awesome, huh? So you get your first month free. Go ahead and click checkout. Once you hit checkout, it's going to take you to a page where you put all your details in, your first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, email, password, and all that good stuff. Now you could choose to pay, or also you could share the contact you'll want to use here, or you could add a new one. Your credit card or PayPal, you could choose to pay by one of those selections, either credit card or by PayPal. All right, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click complete order. All right, you're one step closer. Let's get into the next lecture. Okay, now once you sign up for your web hosting, you're going to get an email from JVZoo Host. Go ahead and click that email, and it's going to give you all your information that you need to log into your control panel. And this is where it starts getting exciting. Okay, see where it says username and password? Then it says control panel right here. You want to click that, and you hit OK. Right now I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your new web hosting platform. Okay, you're going to get this page here. And what you want to do is you want to copy and paste your username and put it in this box. Then you want to go get your password that was emailed to you, copy and paste, and put it in this box. Then you're going to hit login. Okay. Once you log in, you are actually in what's called your control panel. Now this is where you control your website, make adjustments to your web hosting, I should say, not website, where you make adjustments to your web hosting and you get statistics and all that good stuff. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install WordPress into your web hosting. So you scroll down, all the way down till you see where it says WordPress. You click that. Okay, you want to click install, and you want to choose the website that you just purchased or the domain you just purchased. I'm going to be designing my own website, PastorDre.com, so I'm going to choose that. You want to get rid of the WP. You don't want that there. Scroll down some more. Site name, I'm going to call mine PastorDre.com. Okay. Description, I'm just going to put anything for now. Let's put over 26 years of youth ministry experience. Okay. Scroll down some more. This is going to be your username and password for your dashboard. And the dashboard is where you make corrections and add all kinds of things to your website. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put admin for now for my username, and my password, I'm going to put password 1 exclamation point. My admin email, I'm going to put PastorDre@PastorDre.com. Okay, Select language, English. You can limit login attempts in case someone tries to hack your account and they make mistakes. Say 3 or 4 times typing in your password, it will lock your account for a certain amount of time. I'm not going to choose that. Scroll down, decide what theme you want for your website. For now, I'll just choose this one. We're going to change it later, but just for now, for tutorial's sake. Let's go ahead and hit install. And now you're going to be installing WordPress to your website. And this is where it starts to get really exciting, because WordPress is where you design, upload, update, make changes, add all kinds of things to your website. Okay? So there you go. You should get a message saying congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Isn't that good stuff? So to log in to what's called your dashboard, you're going to click here. Okay? Click there. And remember that admin and password that you made? Mine was admin and password 1 exclamation. You're going to type that information that you made here. Admin, and mine was password 1 exclamation point. And you hit login. Now this is going to take you to your dashboard, and this is, like I said, this is where you make all your changes. You add plugins, you do all kinds of fun stuff to your website. So are you ready to start putting in some work to design your website? You're one step closer to making your own website. Let's get into the next lecture. Okay, so now we're in our dashboard. This is where a lot of the changes take place. So let's, first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new theme to our website. Okay, I just downloaded a basic theme, but I'm going to install what's called the Vantage theme. And before I do that, let me just give you a bonus. When we installed this WordPress, we logged in to our dashboard from our control panel. But now I'm going to show you how to log into your dashboard from anywhere on the internet. You type in your domain name, type in /WP-admin. And that will take, oops, I think I put too many, oh no, it worked. And that will take you to your dashboard. So let me go ahead and log out. Okay, I'm going to log out. And the cool thing about installing WordPress is you can design your website from anywhere on the that has internet access. So I'm going to log out on purpose, okay? And we're going to close this. All right, so now when I type in the web browser, PastorDre.com/WP-admin, it's going to ask me for username and password. Okay, you want to store this information so you can have access to it. Remember, our username was what? Admin. Yours may be something different. Our password, mine was password 1 exclamation point. So anywhere that has internet access, I can log into my dashboard and make changes to my website. That's too cool. So here's our dashboard. So let's go ahead and install a theme. I'm going to go to Appearance, and we're going to click Themes. We're going to go to Add New, and the theme that I'm going to be working with to update my website is the Vantage theme. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Vantage. I love this theme. It's off the hook. See where it says, now I'm going to install it. You're going to click Install. All right, so this is going to install a new theme to our website. Right now our website looks like this. Okay, but let's go ahead and install our new theme. We're going to, after you're done installing it, it's going to say Activate. You want to click Activate. Okay, let's go ahead and let it activate. Okay, now it's installed. So let's go ahead and refresh our website and let's see how this new theme looks. There it is. There's the theme we just installed. Isn't that awesome? One step closer to designing your own website. So now what we're going to do is I would recommend you to get the Vantage theme Premium. I mean, all they ask for is a donation. That's it. That's all they ask for. $1, $5, $10, and it just adds so many more features to your website. I've already bought it, so I'm going to type in my code and enable upgrade. I would really recommend you. I mean, all they ask for is a donation. $1, $5, $10. It's worth about $100, to be honest. update theme, and we're going to click OK. All right. So now we have installed a new theme to our website. Now let's get into adding some good stuff to the theme. Stay tuned for the next lecture. Okay, now that you have the theme installed, I'm going to show you how to make some minor tweaks that'll take your designing of your website to another level, make it so much easier. This is good stuff. First thing we want to do is you want to go to Appearance, and you want to go to Home Page. When you go to Home Page, you're going to want to install the Page Builder. That's going to take your editing to a whole nother level. Activate plugin. Okay? We're going to call this Minor Tweaks section. Okay? Next thing you want to do is after you activate the plugin, you want to go to Appearance again, and you want to go to Home Page. Okay? Now once you go to Home Page, you want to activate the custom home page. See that right there? You want to activate that, and you want to hit Save. Okay? Now once you do that, you're going to go back to your website, and let's take a look and see what we've added, or how it looks now. Okay? It's loading up. Internet's going kind of slow, forgive me. Go grab yourself a cup of coffee or a juice or something. Okay? And let's see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. Now what you notice is that our slider is not there. See how it's gone? We're going to work on that a little bit later. But for now, I'll just go back and enable the temporary slider. So you go to Theme Settings. We're going to put a nice slider in there, so it'll be okay. All right. And then you want to go to go to Home. And then you click here, and you just hit Demo Slider, and it'll reactivate the slider for you. Okay? Which is not a big deal, but if you're wondering where it went, it's still there. So you just hit refresh, and now the slider will pop up. There it is. Okay, so now you got your slider, you got the icons, you got a headline widget, you got a place for your latest post, and you got a place for some information. All right, let's move on to the next lecture. Okay, so right now our website is up and running. People can log in. All they got to do is type your domain in the board here. I mean, in the, forgot what you call this, address bar, and hit enter, and your website will show up. It's exciting, huh? This is how our website looks now. So we're going to go ahead and start making some changes to our website. And right now what we're going to do is we're going to add a banner, and we're going to adjust this menu right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Once again, let me log out on purpose so you could know what to do. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log out. Now let's see if you remember. In order to log into my dashboard, what do I type up here? Type in Pastor Dre, which would be your domain, /WP admin, which can be done from any browser. You're going to type in your username, admin, and then I'm going to type in my password. Oops, made a mistake there. Sorry about that. So you're going to type in admin, going to type in my password, and it should let me into my dashboard. Okay, so now once I'm in my dashboard, we're going to go ahead and change the banner. We're going to change this part right here. Okay, in order to do that, you go to Appearance, Theme Settings. Okay. All right, and then you want to go where it says, see where it says logo? You want to choose that. Choose that right there. Choose logo. Your logo image is what you want. Now, you want to upload your file. I've already designed my logo. You could have someone design one for you. You could design your own, however you want to do it. So, I'm going to go to Select Files. Okay. And I'm going to have to pull the logo from my hard drive or wherever you have yours stored. So I believe mine is under Website. And then let me scroll down, see if I can find logo. Let's see here, logo. There it is. I'm going to choose this logo here. I don't think I've actually saved it. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do now is I'm going to have to go. Let me show you this also. So just in case you have Photoshop, I'm going to give you an extra tip right now. Okay? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make this a JPEG. Right now it's a PSD file. That's a Photoshop file, which you can't upload. So we're going to go to Photoshop, and we're going to find this PSD file. Scroll down to logo. I believe it's called logo 2. And we're going to open it. Okay? This is an extra credit here. All right. Now, once your logo loads up or your file loads up, you're going to go over here to File, Save for Web. And we're going to make it a JPEG. So you choose JPEG and you hit Save. And you want to save it in whatever folder you choose. I'm going to save mine in my website folder. Okay, so now when I go here to upload files, I'm going to select the file to upload. I go to C, my C drive, pastordray.com, and I go to website, and it should be logo 2 as a JPEG. Let's see if we can find it. There it is, logo 2 JPEG. Double click, it'll start uploading the file for you. Okay, now this could be your music ministry, this could be a ministry group, rap group, singing group, church, banner, business, whatever logo, whatever your website is going to be about, you can make your logo for that. I'm going to set logo, and I'm going to save settings. Okay, so now when I go over here and I refresh my web page, I should have my banner that pops up or my logo that pops up here. Let's see what happens. All right, there it is. There's our logo. Isn't that cool? But if you notice, there's a little bit of spacing here. So I'm going to show you how to take that out. You're going to go to Customize. Okay, so Appearance, Customize. Internet's going a little bit slow. All right. And then once you get to customize, you want to go to where it says menu. You want to click where it says menu. Okay, menu. I'm sorry, not menu. Let me see where I'm at. Theme designs, then menu. And it's going to take us here. We want to get rid of this spacing. So you scroll down. Scroll down. See where it says padding? Sorry, that's the wrong one. Let's go to, let me see, where am I at here? That's menu. I need to go to page. Let me see, where am I at here? Fonts, general. There we go. My bad. So you want to go, let me start over. So you're going to go to theme design, general, and then see where it says header padding? You can make that a 0. Or you can make it a 1, 2, however much spacing you want. I'm going to make it a 2. Then you hit save and publish. Okay, after you hit save and publish, now our banner should be a little different. There you go. Now the spacing has been removed. And you can make the spacing whatever you want. Now let's get into fixing this menu. Let's go to theme design, menu, and here's your background color. You can change it to whatever you want. Watch how it begins to change. See that? Let's make ours blue. A little darker. Move this around over here. Okay. And there you go. That's how you adjust your header and your menu. All right. Now you got to hit save. Let's go ahead and hit save. Go ahead and refresh your website. Now you've adjusted your banner and you've adjusted the color of your menu. Let's get to the next lecture. All right, now what I want to do is I want to get into detail on the menu. We're going to beef it up a little bit. All right, so you got your background color that you can decide on, right? See how it's changing? We're going to leave that blue. Not only do you have a background color, you have a second level color. See that? The hover color. So whatever I hover over it, it changes to another color. You change that by going here. Okay, so let's scroll down. Let's make that yellow. Or maybe gold. Let's try gold here. Okay, we'll do it like that. So now whenever you hover over your words in your menu, it's going to have a different color. See that? It's like blue and gold. Let's do gray. I'm going to do gray. Since we have blue and gray in our website, we're going to make it gray. So let's see. Where's the... Bring this down a little bit. Okay, to like a grayish. And let's see now. Okay, let's make it a little bit darker. And we'll move this around a little bit. Let's see how it looks now. It's decent. We'll just leave it like that. Okay, so that's our hover color. And then you have a second level text, which we don't have any pages on that yet. So that's when, if we had a sample page and there was something under it, then this would change the color of the thing that was scrolled down right here. But you don't have to worry about that right now. Okay, so also you have the menu padding. You could do 23. See how it gets, this gets wider. As I make this bigger, watch this. If I do 40, see how big it gets? Or I can make it smaller. I can make it 12. However you want to do it. 15, 17. I'm going to go with 21. That's too big. I'm going to go with 19. There we go. All right, menu font size. How big do you want your font? I'm going to go with 17. Okay. What else can you beef up on your menu? Let's see what else you got. Current page text. You got current page background. So what background color do you want your website to be? I'm going to go with white. So let's go ahead and bring that up to white. Okay. And we're going to hit save. Now let's go take a look at the changes that we've made and see how it looks on our website. See? There it is. I don't know if I like that white. We're going to go ahead and change that. Current page background. Let's just leave it blue. Then we'll hit save. Okay. And we'll refresh it. So now this white should turn to blue. And it's telling the people what page they're currently on. I kind of like it like that. All right. So there you go. All right, we're making some progress. You got your header, you got your menu colors. Now let's work on our slider here. The slider that comes with Vantage Theme is a nice slider. It's a stock slider. But I want to show you how to get another slider that will take your web page to a whole nother level. What you want to do is you want to go to imagesliderforme.com. Matter of fact, let's go there. Image sliderforme.com. Okay, now when you go there, it's going to give you an option of a few different sliders. There's a free one. You could get one for $19. You can get developer, I think it's for $99. It's called the Meta slider. It's a great slider. I really encourage you to invest the $19. You can get the free one also, but you know, it's a little bit limited. I would recommend you getting the paid version. You can go $19 for one site license. You can go $99 for unlimited sites, or you go $39 for 5 sites. All right. So once you decide what you want to do, you say you want to buy now. You fill out all the information, and they're going to send you an email with the file. Okay. So I'm going to show you what you do. You know, fill all this out right here. Boom, boom, boom. And they're going to email you your file. Continue to check out. Now, once you do that, you're going to go to your dashboard. Okay, get familiar with that term dashboard, because that's where you make all your changes to your website. This is your dashboard. And quick test. How do you log into your dashboard? Your domain name, right? Let me show you real quick. Pastor Dre your domain name / what goes here? WP-admin. That's how you get to your dashboard. Okay, so we're in our dashboard now. Now to install the meta slider, we're going to go to plugins. Okay, we've already bought the upgraded version, so we already have the file. Okay, you're going to click add new in your plugins, and you want to upload this plugin. Okay, you want to choose your file. Wherever you downloaded your file that Meta Pro sent you in your email, wherever you downloaded it, you're going to go there. Ours is in our download folder, so we're going to go there. Okay, and we're going to find Meta Slider Pro. There it is there. Double click, and we're going to click install now. Okay, it's going to take a little while to install. Okay, now once it's done installing, you're going to get a page that looks like this. You're going to click activate plugin. And there you have it. You now have Meta Slider Pro. All right, let's get into the next lecture. Okay, now that you have Meta Slider Pro installed, go ahead and click where it says Meta Slider Pro. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to try to add some slides to our slider. So, click where it says create your first slide. We're going to title ours homepage. You hit the plus button, and then you'll be okay. Click add slide, image, Vimeo, YouTube, external URL, post feed, layer slide. Go to select layer slide. Okay. Well, actually, you want to upload your picture first. So let's go ahead and get the picture we want. The slide we want is this one here, online video class. So we're going to upload that. I'm actually going, I already have them uploaded, but I'm going through the process so you can know how to upload your pictures. All right, let's go ahead and upload another one because we're going to do 2 slides. Let's go upload, what other one? Let's upload this. No, not that one. Let's upload, let's see, what's the other one? Let's upload this here, audiobook. Hit add to slider. Oops, hit open. Okay, so they're uploading. So whatever pictures you want, you could have someone design them for you. You can design them in Photoshop, however you want to do them. And we're going to put add to slider. Okay, so now when you click add to slider, it's going to give you a launch layer editor. So let me go add the other picture too. Let's add this one. So now we should have 2 pictures. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Launch Layer Editor. Here's my picture I'm working with. The reason I like working with layer slides, I could have done an image, but I like working with layer slides because we could add fancy stuff. Let me show you. Click New Layer, slide this down here. Let me slide it up first so I can see. Okay, let's see what we're typing. Let's type order now. Okay, and we're going to make it bold, and we're going to center it. I'm going to change the font by clicking font. We'll make it Georgia. Change the size by clicking size. Let's make it 38. To make it bigger, to fit, you just slide it over and it fits right in. To move it, you grab the crossbars and we're going to move it down here. To change the background color, you go to background. You can make it lighter or darker. We're going to make it dark. Let's go here, slide it all the way to the right. Let's hit choose. See how I made it darker? All right, the cool thing about this, the layer slide, is we're going to add animation. So we're going to wait 0.5 seconds, and then we want it to flash. We're going to wait 1 second, 1.1 second, and we want it to shake. And we're going to hit save. Okay, so that's that. Let's go ahead and hit close. Let's go to our next slide, launch layer editor. I don't think we need to add any layers to this one. I think this one is pretty much good on its own. Hey, it didn't appear. Let me see. Launch layer. It's not showing up. So let me go ahead and delete this, and we're going to upload it again. Okay, so good thing we're doing this because we're going to walk you through it. See if you can answer before I ask you. How do we add it? How do we add the other slide? Add slide. Pick the one you want, select it. Add slider, click that. Now you have your slider. Launch layer editor, and our picture should show up. It's not showing up. So, I don't know why, but I'm going to hit save anyway. Then I'm going to hit, oh, there it goes. Now it's coming. I guess the internet's going slow. Here it comes. And there you go. I'm not going to add a layer, so we'll go ahead and delete this. I think this looks good the way it is. Okay, so just hit save. And you hit close. So now you have two slides. And we're going to hit save over here. Okay, now we need to go activate our Meta Slider Pro. So you go to Appearance. And you're going to go to Theme Settings. Okay, and you're going to go to Home. See how it says None, Demo, and then Slider Homepage? That's the one you want. Because if you select Slider Demo, let me show you what's going to happen. It's on demo now, right? So when you go to your website, it's still going to be showing you, go to PastorDre.com. It's still going to show you the old slider because we have not activated the new one yet. So let me show you that the old slider will pop up. Okay, it's taking its time. See how the old slider's still there? So how do we change it? You're going to go to what I told you, Appearance, Theme Settings, Home, and instead of Demo Slider, you want to activate the one you just created, which is Home Page. Hit Save Settings. Okay, now once that's saved, you go ahead and refresh your page, and our new slider that we just made should show up in our home page. Let's see. There it is. It's coming along. Not bad, huh? So there's your slides. There's your order now, blinking and sliding and flashing. You could even add a hyperlink. Let me show you real quick how to do that, and then we'll get into the next lecture. The way you add a hyperlink, you want to go to Meta Slider Pro. Okay. Looks nice, huh? It's coming along. Might want to change this menu to red or gray so it'll match your site theme. But we can do that later. Even change this to red. But we'll work it all later. All right. The way you add a hyperlink, you're going to go to Launch Layer Editor. Highlight Order Now. Click the hyperlink button. And type in the link where you want them to go. For me, I'll type in PastorDre.com. Hit OK. Hit Save. Hit Close. Save here. Go ahead and refresh the page. So now when this slider comes up, okay, when it comes up, uh-oh, I messed up. Let me redo it. Let's see, let's close that. I forgot, I didn't take that out. Okay, you want to highlight this, select hyperlink, and then type in your website or your link you want them to go there. Now we're good. Now we're going to hit save and hit close and hit save again. I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, so there you go. Now, when they click it, it takes them to PastorDre.com. All right, that's how you add slides to your slider. Let's go into the next lecture. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the menu. This is a bonus also. Okay, so go to Appearance, Menus. I'm sorry, not Menus. Appearance, and you want to go to Customize. Okay? Once you go to Customize, let's see if you remember. Where do we go? theme design, and then you go where? Menu. Let's change our background color to fit our slides. So we're going to make it red. We're going to change this right here, or gray. I like gray. I don't want too much of the same color. So let's see if we can find a gray. Let's see. Okay. There you go. Change it like that. Hit save and publish. See how simple it was to change the color? Hit refresh. Now our menu should be gray. There you go. It's coming along. Let's get to the next lecture. Okay, what I want to do now is I want to show you how to change these icons here. So in order to do that, you're going to go to your dashboard. Okay, and you're going to select home page. Okay, now these are your icons. This is your headline. This is your post loop. This is your text. Basically, your icons, headline, post loop, text. So what you see here is actually here. This is your dashboard. This is your website. Okay, so how do we change these? Well, to change it, you go to Edit. And let's put messages. That's what we want to title it. And that's going to change what goes right here. Okay. Now what I'm going to change is the writing that's right here. So I'm going to here, powerful messages from Pastor Dre. Okay. Now what you could do is you can use already custom icon, or you can make your own. If you make your own, you just have to upload it and use the URL here. I'm going to use a custom one. So let's just use, what could I use? Let me use a book. Okay. Icon position, you want top. The size, let's go large. Now for the text, it says start editing. That's going to change the text that's right here. So we're going to put visit, let's see, here messages. Let's put it like that. Here messages. Now, when they click this, this is going to take them to the page you want. We haven't created the page yet, so we'll just leave it blank. Okay? And then when you want it to link to the page, we're going to click there, but that'll be a little bit later. Right now, I'm just showing you how to change the text. All right, so we got that one changed. Let's change the middle one. So from messages, now let's put music. So you click edit. Yours could be something different, you know, whatever you have. So I'm going to put music. Download music from Pastor Dre in MP3 format. Okay. And let's see if we got headphones. Let's see. Okay, great. Headphones. Icon, background color, circle, background image. I'm going to leave all that empty. I'm going to hit top, and we're going to make it a large icon. Our text right here where it says example, we're going to put listen now. Leave that blank because we don't have the page yet, and hit done. Let's go ahead and save it. I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to refresh the page just to show you our updates so far. Let's hit refresh. Okay, so now you got messages. Here, powerful messages for Pastor Dre. Music, download music for Pastor Dre MP3 format. Here, let's put one more. We're going to change that one. I'm going to click edit. And let me see what else you want to add. You got music, you got messages. How about if we put contact us? Or resources. Let's put resources. So the title is going to be resources. Here is a page that has resources or just make it simple. Resources for youth ministry. Okay. Our icon, let's put, what's good for resources? Let's see what we want to put. Let's just put a laptop. Let's just put a laptop. Okay. And then you put large, view resources. Okay. And then you hit, take that out because we don't have the page yet. So we'll leave it blank. Now, if we had the page already, I would put the page in here. So when they click view resources, it will take them to our resource page, which we haven't made yet, but we'll get to that. Hit done. Hit save. Let's go ahead and refresh. Now we should have messages, music, and resources. There you go. Let's go ahead and create some pages. Okay, now we're going to add some pages to our website. So let's go ahead and do that. What you want to do is go to your dashboard and you click pages. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of the sample page. You can trash that. Okay, here's our home page. If you want, you can take a quick look at that. This is our home page. That's actually this page here, where people type in our address. It takes them to our home page. Okay? All right, that's our home page. Now let's add a page. So you see where it says add new? We're going to add a new. We're going to add 3 pages. Real simple. We're going to add messages. That's your title. You want to come down here. I like working in page built view. I like that. So I'm going to add a row. I'm going to make it 100%. And then we're going to add a widget. I like working with the visual editor. You hit edit. Now it's going to say you need to install Black Studio Tiny MC. Go ahead and do that. And you give that a chance to install. Hit activate plugin. Okay. Okay, it's activated. Now let's go back to pages. We'll start over. So we're going to go to pages, add new. Okay, and we're going to title this one messages. And let's go to page builder, add row, hit insert, add a widget, visual editor, and you're going to hit edit. So here we're going to put listen to powerful preachings from Pastor Trey. Now whatever you want to put on your page, I'm just putting something simple quick for now. Okay, we're going to hit done, and we're going to hit publish. Okay. Now we want to add another page. Add new, and we're going to put music. Listen to some good music from Pastor Trey. And hit publish. Now I see something I don't like. See this? It says index. We're going to go change that. Okay? I'm going to show you how to do that. I know it's not in the topic, but it's very important. So we're going to go to settings, and we're going to go to reading. Taking a little side note here, but it's very important. You don't go to readings, I think you're going to go to writings. No, let me see. Let me find out where it's at. Okay, there, no. Permalinks, I'm sorry. You go to permalinks. I'm sorry, I took a little side note here. You want to click post name. So it's going to label all your pages by your post name, okay, instead of that index PHP. Then you hit Save Changes. That's going to make a big difference. Okay, all right, let's get back to our pages now. So you go to Pages. So now all your posts and your pages will be named after your title. It's better. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, see how it says PastorDre.com? Messages. That's what we want. So we go here. Listen to powerful preachings from Pastor Dre. Okay, that's good there. And let's update. Okay, let's add another page. Add new. And we're going to add the resources page. Resources. Here are some great resources on how to take your youth ministry to the next level. Okay, once again, you could put whatever you want for your website. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Okay, let's refresh our page now. Now the pages that we add should show up there. Let's see what happens. There you go. Home, messages, music, resources. Click messages. And it should take you to the message page. There's hardly anything there, but that's your message page. Go to your music page. You got that there. Go to your resources page. And you have that there. And you go back to your home page. And you have that there. All right, let's go to the next lecture. Okay, now that we have pages, I'm going to show you how to add the links to these icons. See these icons? They're not clickable. None of them are clickable, right? So I'm going to show you how to put a clickable link to make these link to your pages. What you want to do, you want to go to Appearance, Home Page. Okay, and then you want to click Edit. All right. See right here where it says More URL? You want to go get the URL of your page. So what I like to do is I just come to the page, I right click, copy link address. Then I paste it. And you want to select link, title, and icon to More URL. So you put your More URL to the page you want it to go, click the link, or click the checkbox. Okay, so that's for that one. Then we go to the next one, which is music. I right click, copy link address, go to the More URL, paste it in there, check the box, hit done. All right, next one is our resources. Right click, copy link, come down here to the More URL, paste it in there, check the box, hit done. Then you hit save. Okay, once that's done saving, we're going to go refresh our page. Once we refresh our page, now we should have clickable links with our icons. There you go. See how it goes to the hand? So if they click on View Resources, Listen Now, or Hear Messages, it will take them to that page. There you go. Let's get into the next lecture. Okay, now we're going to change this section of the website. This is your headline widget. Like I told you, this is everything here is on your home page. It's all in order. The 3 circles. Only thing that's missing is the slider. Your headline. Here's your headline. Post loop. There's your post loop. So it's all there. And then if you go here, text. This is your text. So we're going to change this. So you go to the headline, hit edit, And we're going to put a welcome message. Welcome to PastorDre.com. And you should put here over 26 years of youth ministry experience. Okay. Hit done. Hit save. Okay, now once that's done saving, this here should change to what we just wrote in the box. Let's see. Let's refresh the page. There it is. Welcome to PastorDre.com. Over 26 years of youth ministry experience. That's good stuff, huh? All right. Let's go to the next lecture. Okay, let's go and edit your latest post and this text over here. I don't really use the latest post, but if you would like to post your blogs on your homepage, you can do that. So you go here, hit edit, and you could call it latest post. You could use different types, carousel, slider, grid, however you want to do it. Post type, post per page, depends how many you want to show up. There's one, you can make it 4, however you want to do it. And then what will happen is when they go here and they click, it'll go take them to your latest blog post, which is there. Hello world. That's our default blog. Okay. In order to change your blog post, you just go to post. Okay. And you could click add new. You could take this one out. This is the one they're viewing now. So let's go ahead and edit it really quick. So we're going to call it my first post. And let's just put a quick blog. Thank you for reading. Oops. Thank you for reading my blog. Hope you enjoy. Boom. Hit update. Okay. So now when we go to home page, the blog that's going to come up is the one we just created. Latest post, my first post. Now to put a picture here, you want to go over here to the right, set feature image. You want to upload it. Let me see if I can get an image for you. See if I can find one. Let's go here. I'll just grab one really quick. Okay. And then you want to put that as set featured image. See how it pops up? There you go. Hit update. Whatever your image may be. Maybe you're a rapper, you're busting a flow on the stage. Church, you could put a picture of your sanctuary, or people praising in your service. Your business, you could put your business logo, however you want to do it. Let's hit refresh. And now the picture should show up of our blog. There you go. And that's there's the title, my first post. And when you click it, it takes you to our first post. Okay? All right. Now to edit the other side here, this part right here, I'm going to show you how to edit this. Right here, you could change this text here, maybe your contact information, address, whatever it may be. So you're going to go to home page. All right, I'm going to scroll down and hit edit. And let's just put, contact information, email, PastorDre at PastorDre.com. Okay, hit done, hit save. Once again, you could put whatever information you would like to put there. Hit refresh. Okay, and there you go. Contact information. Put your phone, email, address, however you want to do it. All right, let's move on. Okay, now what I want to show you how to do is to change your footer. See your footer here? you can add some information there. So what you want to do is you want to go to Appearance, Widgets. Okay, and your footer is going to appear on the right hand side right here. It's blank, there's nothing there. So you want to go ahead and grab your visual editor, hold it down, and slide your page up. So you click on it, hold it down, and move up, and drop it in there. Now, whatever you write in here is going to appear on your footer. Let's put PastorDre.com, email, PastorDre@PastorDre.com, and let's put our contact number. You could put your contact number for booking. Contact for booking. You can do it like that. Okay? And then you just put here www.pastorDre.com. Alright, and let's go ahead and save it. Okay, let's dismiss that. So now this information that is here should appear in your footer. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. Once again, you could put whatever you like. Alright, let's go ahead and scroll down. And there's your contact information. But I don't like how that looks. So to adjust it, I'm going to go ahead and go like this. And maybe put a little star over here. Oops. Put another star. Spread it out. Highlight it. Center it. Bold it. And let's see. Take a little bit of spaces out. So hopefully it'll fit on one line. Okay. That. And let's go ahead and hit save. Okay, let's refresh. And let's see how it looks now. There you go. That's how you add a footer. Now you can make hyperlinks by going here, highlight it, select your hyperlink, http PastorDre.com. You can open it in a new tab or leave it in the same one, and you add link. Okay, and so now you got a hyperlink. Let's go ahead and visit the page. Refresh. So now in your footer, you have a hyperlink. Good stuff, huh? All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, now what I want to show you how to do is add a few different plugins that'll add a little bit of functionality and some cool features to your website. All right, let's go to our dashboard. Okay, and a few of the plugins that we're going to be adding, a lot of them are free. Some of them you have to pay for, but when you pay for it, they're worth the what you pay. Okay, so let me get into adding some of the free ones first, and then we'll go ahead and get into adding some of the ones you pay for. Alrighty, are you ready? Okay, first one you want to add is called Statistics. So you're going to go to Plugins. What this one does, it helps keeps track of hits and different like to your blog. It tracks hits to your blog, to your website, who's visiting, how many visitors you have, and all that good stuff. So you're going to go to Plugins, Add New. You're going to type in Statistics. Hit Enter. And WP Statistics, and hit Install Now. Activate plugin. and you're good. So now when you click statistics over here, it tells you who's on your site, who user online, 1, how many visitors you had today, or visitor and visit. See? So visit is, I think it's unique hits. Visit is how many pages have been visited. I think it's something like that, or it might be the opposite. I'm not for sure. But this keeps track of hits to your website. Another good free one is we're going to go to plugins. And we're going to go to add new. And we're going to go to disable comments. Hit enter. And this gets rid of comments on your blogs. Like say if you go to the blog that we have here on our website now, when you scroll down, see how it has comments? Me personally, I don't like the comments. I don't want to moderate them. So I just disable them. So you hit install now. And you can choose what page you want to disable your comments, which one you want to keep them active. So it's a pretty cool plugin. And it's free. So let's go ahead and disable the comments on our pages, messages, music, and resources. Let's do that really quick. So you go to disable comments, go to settings. You could disable it everywhere, posts, pages, media. I'm going to choose everywhere. Hit save changes. Okay, so now when someone looks at my page or my blog, there's no comments. Okay, and there's none anywhere. None on the home page, none on the blogs, and it's awesome. That way you don't have to moderate your comments. But that's up to you. But that's a plugin that I like. Another one I want to install is the Pretty Links Pro. So we're going to go to plugins. And this one allows you to be able to create your own links, your customized links. We have the pro version, but there is a free version. So you go to Pretty Links. Okay. And you hit install now. Activate plugin. So this is good if you're tweeting about your website, or maybe you're an affiliate somewhere. This allows you to customize your own links, and it can lead them back to your web page. Okay, so that's pretty good there. And one more that we have, this one you need to pay for, but this is good for music groups. This is good for churches. So for those of you that want to put your preachings or your music online, this is what you do. Go to add new. It's like $50, but it's worth it. It's called the Music Store. You could also search it on Google, google.com. Type in Music Store plugin. I'm not an affiliate or anything, but I just love the plugin. So you go to Music Store, WordPress plugin. Okay. And this is where you can download. I think it's like $50, $49. It's called the Music Store. Let's see, how much is it? Let's see. Okay. Doesn't have the price. Because there is a free version, but if you want to upgrade, then you have to pay for the other one. I think it's like $50, okay? But let's go ahead and install it. You're going to go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin. And then you're going to choose File. We have ours on our C drive. And then it's in Downloads. And we're going to look for Music Store. There it is. And we're going to hit Install Now. Okay, once it's installed, you hit Activate Plugin. Now, how do you get the file? Once again, you click Download Version here. Once you click Download, it's going to download to your website. There it is there. Once that's downloading, you go to where it's downloaded. Click Add New. In your plugins. You click upload plugin, and then you choose where you downloaded the file. Okay? All right. That's it for plugins for now. We'll add some more a little bit later. Let's move on. All right, the next thing we want to do is we want to add a form to our website, and you want to go to jotform.com. Go to jotform.com. Now they do offer free, and then they offer paid plans. So I'm going to show you the pricing here. I already have an account. I'm already signed in. So, but if you go to jotform.com, you could do your free, bronze, silver, or gold. Okay? So let's go ahead and go to My Forms. I'm going to show you how to add a form, and I'm going to put Create Form. Then I'm going to put Use Template. Okay, and then I'm going to choose Basic Template here. Let's see. Yeah, let's use this one. And we'll hit Continue. So basically, if you have any questions, you can respond on this form on the website. If you have a music group, a church, maybe somebody wants to get a hold of you. So you just put here, contact us. I'm going to put contact Pastor Dre. Please fill out this form. We'll get in touch with you shortly. I like that. Your name, first name, last name, your email address, and your message. Okay? So then and there's a submit button. So then you hit save. Okay? Now once you do that, you want to go and get the code to be able to post your website. Okay? So we're going to go to embed form right there. Okay? And it's going to give you the code. This is the direct link displayed on your site. All right? So we're going to choose, we want to put it on our site, so we're going to choose embed. So that's the embed code. Copy it. Now let's go to our dashboard. And I'm going to create a contact us page, and we're going to put this form in there. Okay? So for your music group, trying to blow it up online, you want people to contact you, here's the way you do it. Go to Pages, Add New. Okay? And it's taking a little time. So you want to add a new page, and we're going to call this page Contact Us. Then you're going to come to your text. Make sure it says text. Okay? And you're going to paste that code. It won't work if you have it in visual. It needs to be in text. So you got to select text. Then you hit publish. Okay? Once you hit publish, let's go back to our website. And we're going to refresh. Now when we refresh, our contact page should show up here on our menu. There it is. Oops, I misspelled us. There we go. Hit update. Now let's refresh. And we should have a contact us page with the form. There it is. Click the contact us link. Takes you to our page. And then the form pops up. There it is. It's still loading, but it'll pop up now. There you go. Contact Pastor Dre, your name, email, and your message. Simple form like that. Now you're probably wondering, how do I move the contact us to the right instead of having it first? How do I move it over? Okay. You're going to go to Appearance, Menus. Okay. And you can change your order here. So where it says Contact Us, go ahead and move it all the way down to After Resources. And let's take out one of these home pages. We don't need two. So remove that. So now, and the download page, you're wondering where that came from? That came from when we installed our music store, which we'll get into a little bit later, okay? So home page, messages, music, resources, contact us. That's the order. Go ahead and create menu. Okay. And you want to hit refresh. So now our contact should move all the way to the far right. Let's see if it worked. Uh-oh. Let me see. I forgot to click this. Click that. And you hit save. Make sure this box is checked. You got to make sure that's checked. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and hit refresh. Now our contact should be on the far right. Okay, now it added the shopping cart and the download page from our music store. So the way you get rid of that for now is you go click on it, hit remove, click on download page, hit remove, because all that stuff is coming from our music store plugin, and we'll get into that later. All right. So now here's your order of your menu: home page, messages, music, resources, and contact us. Go ahead and hit refresh. You should have home page, messages, music, resources, and contact us. There you go. Now to go back to your home page, you click home page, and it takes you there. All right, let's get into the next lecture. Okay, let's go ahead and spend some time on some of the plugins that we've already installed. I already showed you the statistics plugin and how that works. We also installed the music store plugin. So see, now let me clarify this. Remember I told you there's visitor and then there's visit. Okay, visitor is unique visits. Okay, visit is how many pages were visited on your website. So say I'm a visitor. I click once, but I visit a few of your pages. This is going to go up. Okay, so that's how that works. All right, so we talked about that. Now what I want to talk about is the music store plugin. This is good for artists, rappers, singers, even churches. You want to upload your messages for people to be able to purchase them. This is good stuff. So let's spend our time on this. Okay, spend some time on this. It might be a little lengthy, but it's going to be worth it. All right, music store. You want to, first of all, you want to go to your store. First of all, you want to set up a store page. So let's go ahead and go to pages. Okay, and we're going to add new. And we're going to call it store. We'll just label this store. Okay, so you click there, store. Okay, let's put here is where you can purchase powerful preachings and music from Pastor Dre, whatever yours may be. Okay, and we're going to hit publish. All right, now you want to go to music store. And you want to go to store settings. URL. Is the one we just made. Store. Okay. Allow to filter by type. Yes. Allow to filter by genre. Yes. Keep all this the same. How many items do you want per page? I'm going to leave it at 10. Store layout. Which one do you want? I want professional. Player style. What kind of player style do you want? I like this one. Percent of audio used for protected playbacks. You can change it to 20% if you like. Explain text for protected playbacks. Audio is played partially for security reasons. You can leave that. Share in social networks. You can leave that. The music store uses PayPal only as a gateway. So you must have a PayPal account. But depending on your PayPal account, it is possible to charge the purchase directly from the credit cards of customers. So you want to have a PayPal account to be able to receive payments. So enable PayPal payments. Yes. My PayPal email. I'm going to go ahead and type that in. Okay. Currency, USD. Symbols, dollars. PayPal language, English. Okay. What kind of buttons do you want? For instant purchases, let's just use this one. I like that one. Or you could use for shopping cart, but I'm going to keep that. Download link. How long do you want your download link valid for? If someone orders one of your rap songs or music or messages, how long do you want them to be able to download from that link? number of downloads allowed by purchase. I'm sorry. This is download link available for how many days? 3 days, 5 days. This is the number of downloads they get per link. So we'll leave all that the same. Increase the download page security. It's up to you. Pack all purchase audio files as single zip file. That's up to you. I'm going to leave that blank. All right. You could even do discounts. So you could do promotions like, let's see here, percent of discount and sales over a certain amount of dollars. You could do valid days. Okay. So that's what you could do there. You could do coupons. You could name the coupon, percent of discount, say 50% discount. Let's just do something really quick. The coupon, we're going to call it 50 off. And it's going to be valid from today till Monday. Okay. And then you just update the coupon like that. Okay. So now you'll have a coupon. The coupon is 50 off. So if they type in 50 off when they check out, they get 50% off. You can edit it and remove it. Notification of settings. I want it to be sent to my email when someone buys something. So I'll put in my email there. Send notification to email. Wait, hold on a minute. Notification from email. This is from. So when I send it out, it's going to come from me. So this needs to say Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. So that's who the email is going to be from, that they receive it. That thank you for purchasing. Send notification email. Let's just put my other email there too. PastorDre.com. Email subject. Thank you for your purchase. That's what your buyer's going to receive. There's your confirmation of what they'll receive in the email message. And the subject is going to say new product purchase. That's going to be sent to you. And email notification to admin. This will be sent to you. Go ahead and click update settings. Okay, so there's your store settings. Okay, now once you have your store settings, let's go ahead and add some music. So you're going to click Music Store. This is good for rappers. Maybe you got a hit song you want to sell. Maybe you got a track you want to sell. Whatever it may be. Maybe you're a preacher. You got some preachings you want to sell. This is how you do it. So you go to Music Store and you select Song for Sale. Then you're going to click Add New. And we're going to call this song Holy Ghost Party. Check out this hit song. Okay? Boom. Then you scroll down. How much you want to charge? 99 cents. Sell a single? Yes. Audio file for sale. You're going to upload file. You're going to go to upload files. Select your file. And we want to upload Holy Ghost Party MP3. Okay, I already have it uploaded, but I'm just showing you how to go about it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause. Okay, so this is our file. It has been uploaded. We're going to select it. Now you could do a short sample for a demo that people can listen to before they buy it. So we're going to go to upload file, select file, and we made a short demo here. It's Holy Ghost Party. Let me see, where's it at? Clip. I think we labeled it clip. Yeah, there we go. So then you got your clip, which is like 20 seconds, I believe it is. So I'm going to click that. Select the item. Select the artist. I don't have anybody, so you're going to add a new artist. Let's just put CMC and the Glory Bound Crew. Okay, so you add artist. And then you got album, including the song. I don't have an album, but let's just call it Holy Ghost Party. Okay, so add album. Cover, if you have a cover photo, you could add that. Let me show you how to do that real quick. I think I have a picture. Let's just use a picture we've used already. Let's use that one. Okay, you can choose whatever picture you want, but we'll just use that one for tutorial sake. All right, how long is your song? I think this was like 3 minutes and 12 seconds. I'm not for sure. Publication year, I think it's like 2008. This song has been out for a while. Any additional information, you click there. All right, you could do a discount. You want to do a discount. We'll just leave that alone. Let's see, new price. It could be 50 cents, so you could do a sale from a certain time to a certain time. Like say you want it to be 50 cents. Let's just do it really quick. Say we'll start the sale today. We'll end it on Monday. And special price. We'll just promotional text, special price. Okay. Add an update. And then you hit publish. Okay. There you go. Let's hit view song. Let's see what we got. Come on, some of you are getting excited. You want to put your songs on the internet. You just came out with your new album, your new message. You got a preaching. You want people to be able to get online. This will do that for you. Okay? So especially some of you singers, maybe you're a rapper, you want to build your own website. It's 2015. So this tutorial is really good because it could take your online presence to another level. Okay? So there's a song right there. Boom. People can buy it. They want to listen to it. Short sample. So they can hear a sample right there. Let me see. They can buy it now. It's on sale for 50 cents. So that's how you add a song. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, what I want to do now is I want to show you how to take the song that we just uploaded. Okay? And the cool thing about this, look, it shows you how many plays and all that good stuff. Let me just go back there real quick. Let me show you what this music store shows you. It shows you how many plays, how many purchases, how many hits you have. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so let's go view our product. I want to show you how you could take this product here and put it on your music page. Because right now it's on a page that nobody could get to because we just uploaded it. So how do you do that? Okay, you go to your dashboard. Okay. And this is cool. This will work for sermons. This will work for music. It's awesome. Maybe you just came out with a new CD and there's a single you want to release. You could work it like that. Maybe there's a preaching that you have. You want to upload your preachings for your youth ministry, your church, for people to buy online. You could do it like that. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to the music store. Okay. And you want to get the song ID. This ID is 53. So say you got 5 songs. They're each going to have a different ID. So you grab the IDs you want, and then you go to the page you want to put these songs on. Okay? And we want to put this on our music page. So we're going to go to edit. So you could do the same thing with your messages. You could put your messages on the page. And we're going to go here where it says insert product. We don't want to insert the store. We want to insert the product. And our ID was what? 53, right? So you hit OK. So let's go ahead and take this writing out. And we're going to write our own stuff. Let's put Holy Ghost Party by CMC featuring Little Momo. Okay? So then you hit update. So now when I go to my music page, this song should be there. Let's see if it worked. So you go to music page. There it is. There's the song. And this is our picture. Remember that picture that we had? That's the picture. Okay? So you could play it. You could buy it. You want to purchase now. That. And it'll take you to PayPal. And you could purchase it. There it is. So look how quick that is. Somebody wants to buy your messages, buy your song. There it is for 50 cents. Just like that. Okay? All right. So let's move on to how you put a store on a page. This is just for one product. So let's move on to how you put a store. Okay, now that we have a single product on a single page, I want to show you how to add multiple products to a page, basically a store. Okay, so what you want to do is go to Music Store, and let me get rid of these because we don't need those. Let's go and delete that. So our only product we have now is our song Holy Ghost Party, but we're going to add 3 preachings. Okay, say we want to make our preachings available for our church. We'll do it like this. Okay, you want to go to Add Song, and one preaching is going to be Got Vision. Okay, here is a message from Pastor Dre challenging us to have a vision. Okay, boom. Then you scroll down. Say we're going to charge 99 cents. Audio file. This will be the file that you're actually going to sell. Okay. This is a demo of the file that you want the people to listen to before they purchase it, to see if they like it. Select the artist, Pastor Dre. And this is how you add a new artist. You just type their name there, hit Add Artist. Album. It's not really an album, or it's not really a series, so we'll leave that blank. I don't have a cover photo. I'm going to leave that blank. This actual message is around 35 minutes. So we'll put it like that. Publication year, let's put 2010. And if you want to do a discount, you fill that out. But we're not, so you just go ahead and hit Publish. Now we're going to add another message. And the name of this one is going to be called Going or Sent. Here is a message from Pastor Dre asking us, are we going or are we sent? Okay. Boom. Scroll down. Say 99 cents. Sell it as a single. Audio file, the one you actually want to sell that you've uploaded to your media library, going or sent. Sample file you want them to listen to before they purchase it. Select an artist, Pastor Dre. Album including the song. There's no album. Cover, no. Duration, let's say 35 minutes. Publication year, 2012. Additional information, no. And we'll hit Publish. Okay, so now we have 2 products. You can add as many as you want. I've just showed you how to add 2. Now what you want to do is you want to go see where it says Songs for Sale. You want to click there. Now, I encourage you to get a pen and paper. And the songs we're going to add are this one, 69, 68, and 53. So you got 69, 68, and 53. Remember, 53 is a song, 68 and 69 are messages. So what you want to do is you want to go to Pages. And this is the page we're going to make our store on. Okay? You go to Store and you click Edit. Okay? Now what you want to do is you want to go to this option where you see where it says Insert Music Store. You click there. Hit OK. Okay? Or you could even insert products, you know, one at a time. But we're going to insert the store. You hit Update. Now we're going to go to our website, PastorDre.com. Okay, now when we click on Store, it should give us all of our items. There you go. This one has a picture because I put a picture on it. You could put pictures on these too if you want. There you go, going or sent. Here's the clip.
If you look at it like, well, I'm just going to work, I got bills to pay. Come on, somebody. My skills got me the job. Huh? So you know, I'm just...
That's a sample. And you click this one, you hear a sample.
I have appeared to you for a specific reason. Somebody say reason.
There you go. And here's a sample of your music.
Just lift your hands and praise his name, you know it's going down.
So there's your store. You have just created an online store. So if I want to buy this message, I click Pay Now. If I have a coupon code, I put it in there. All right, let's move on to the next lecture. Okay, now that we have our website, it's coming along, and say this is for your youth ministry, your church, your music group, you got a singing group or a rap group, and you want to upload your music, it's coming along. Look at this. Now you have a page where you can download your music. But say you're a church and you want to upload messages. All right, so let's go to our message page. So I'm going to show you how to upload specific products to a specific page, because in your store you have all your products. You have your messages and your music. All right, in your music page you only have your music. So let's go add the messages to our message page. So you're going to go to Pages, and then we're going to go to Messages, and then right here we're going to type in messed up. Right here you're going to type in listen to powerful messages from Pastor Dre, or whatever the name of your church or your music group is. Okay? Then you go here, you hit Insert Product. Now remember the numbers I had of your product? If you don't remember the numbers of your product, let me show you how to do that really quick. You want to go to Music Store, and it's going to show you 69 is Going or Sent, 68 is Got Vision, 53 is Holy Ghost Party. Okay, so let's go back. And we're going to go to Messages. And we're going to redo that again. So let's switch to Editor, because we don't want to use the page builder here. And we're going to type listen to powerful messages from Pastor Dre. Or whatever your church is. Whatever your music group is, you could put it on there for yourself, okay? So this is for my website, so I'll just put listen to powerful messages from Pastor Dre. Now to insert those products, see where it says insert product? You click that. It's going to ask you for the number. Remember, it's 68. So that's going to go there. We're going to insert another one. 69. And that's going to go there. So now you're going to have two products. You're going to hit update on our messages page. Okay, so then we're going to go over here, we're going to refresh the messages page, and there you have it. You have two preachings that people could buy from your website. Isn't that cool? Now I want to show you a little something behind the scenes tip. Okay, this is extra. All right, see how we went to the page and it says messages, right? And they're one on top of another, and it looks like this. I kind of want mine to go 1, 2, 3. That's just me. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. You want to copy this. Okay, you want to copy that, copy this code, and you want to delete it. All right, just remember that code. Now you want to go here to Page Builder, and you hit OK. And you want to delete this. Add row. I'm going to add 3 of them. This is my personal preference. You can leave it the other way I showed you, but it's up to you. But I'm going to show you how to get them going left to right. Here, you want to click Add Widget. Okay. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click Visual Editor. Click here, Add Widget, Visual Editor. You want to go here and delete this. So you click that. Oops. Click Delete Row. And check. Yes. Okay, let's add another one. Even though we don't have a product, we'll just go ahead and add it. Now what you want to do, you want to come over here. Remember I told you to copy that code? You want to go to Text, and you want to paste. There you go. That's 69. You want to go here, Edit, go to Text, you want to paste. And we'll make this one 68. Okay, you hit Done. Hit Update. Now let's take a look at our messages page and see what we got. There you go. So now it's going left to right. I personally like that better, but whatever one you decide. All right, let's go on to the next lecture. Okay, now I want to add some resources to my website. We have a home page, we have messages, we have music, but our resource page is still blank. We have a store, we have a contact us form. There's a lot of things that we're adding, and it's coming along really nice. Okay, so now what we're going to do is add resources. I have a few ebooks on Amazon that I want to add. So let's go get them. I'm going to go to Amazon. I'm going to type in 10 sermons for this generation. That's an ebook that I wrote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the ebook. I'm going to go find it. There it is there. I got 10 sermons, 5 sermons. So I'm going to click this one first. We're going to add 3 of them. Link to this page. I'm going to click that. Okay. It's going to load up, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to grab this right here. It's iframe. Go over here to our dashboard, to our pages. And we're going to go to resources, and we're going to click edit. Now once again, I'm going to do that same thing I did last time. I like them going left to right. So we're going to delete this. We're going to delete that, and we're going to add a row, and we're going to put 3 rows, 3 columns. Add a widget, and we're going to put visual editor. Add another widget, put visual editor, and we're going to add one more widget here, put visual editor. Now, we want to go here to edit. Remember, you always want to be on text. Hit paste. We're going to paste our book. Okay, hit done, hit update. So now when we go to our resources page, it should be a picture of the book, 10 sermons for this generation. There it is. Now we want to put 3, so we're going to go here. I'm going to go to edit. Let me go get another book. The next book we want to put is How to Build a Youth Ministry. Okay, it's another ebook that I wrote. There it is there. So we're going to go here, link to this page. And we're going to go get the iframe text right here. I'm going to copy it. Go back to your page, your resources page, click edit. Remember, you got to go to text, paste it, and hit done. Then we're going to go back to Amazon. And we're going to go get another book. Let's get 5 keys to effective youth ministry. There it is. So you click that book there. Click link to this page. Okay. Then you're going to scroll down and get your iframe text. Or you could just highlight it. Hit copy, Control C on PC. Okay. Oops, I'm on the wrong thing here. Let's go here. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're here now. We've already added that one, so now we're going to add the text to the middle, to the last one. Okay, hit done. Hit update. Okay. Let's go ahead and refresh our page. Okay. PastorDre.com. When we go to resources, it should have 3 books. There you go. So that's how you did it. Once again, you go to your pages here, resources, edit. I think I might have threw some of us off because of the page was located in a different place. So let me go ahead and close that so it won't throw you guys off. Let me close this one. Okay, there we go. Now, okay, so go to resources, edit. And I like it going left to right. Like I said, you can go top to bottom. That's cool. But my personal preferences are having them go left to right. Okay, so then you create that row, 1, 2, 3. And then you put your widgets there. And then you just put your items in there. And then it's going left to right. Okay? All right, let's go on to the next lecture. What I want to do now is I want to give you some bonus material, and I want to show you how you could take your image slider to another level. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need MetaSlider Pro. Once again, to get that, all you got to do is go to imagesliderforme.com. That's imagesliderforme.com. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add a new slider. Hit the plus here. Once you hit the plus, it's going to give you a new slider area to work with. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit add slide. Now don't forget, you got to choose layer slide in order to do this. So we're going to go ahead and add this one. It's a layer slide. I already uploaded the images. I've shown you how to do that. I'll show you again just in case. You go to upload files, select files, and choose the one you want to upload. Okay? That's how you do it. Okay, so let's go back to my media library. We're going to choose layer slide, and we're going to upload that one. Okay, then we go to add slide, layer slide, and we're going to upload this one. And let's get one more. Add slide, layer slide, let's upload this one. Okay? All right, so now we have 4 slides. So we're going to go to the editor, and we're going to type new layer. And then we're going to go ahead and type delete what's there now. Let's move this so we can see it. Okay. Let's type in order now. I'm going to highlight it. You're going to bold it. I'm going to make the font Georgia. And the size we're going to go with 38. Spread it out so it fits. Let's go ahead and center it. And let's bring this up a little bit like that. Let's go ahead and bring this over here. See, I left this blank on when I designed this slide, so I knew I was going to put this in here. Okay? So now what's cool is we're going to go to animate. See where it says animation? You're going to wait 0.5 seconds, and you're going to make it flip in. Okay? And then we'll wait 1 second, and you're going to make it flash. Okay? Then you hit save. Now this can only be done with layer slides. Okay? Now you can change the background color if you want it to stand out more. You can make it red. Hit choose. The way you do that is you select it and you go to background. You make it darker so it stands out. Okay? So we're going to do it like that. Slide it down. Let's take the snap to grid off, and then you can slide it down wherever you want. There you go. I'll put it back on. And we're going to hit save. Now, we want to make this order now. We want to link it to our MP3 page where our music is at. So let's go ahead and go to our music page. And what I like to do is I like to right click and select copy link address. So that way, when I highlight this, and I go to hyperlink, I just have to paste the link. Okay, and then I hit OK. There you go. Now, I don't like it because it turned blue, so you highlight it, go to font color, and choose white. There you go. Hit save as. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Holy Ghost Party. Okay. Now we're going to do something cool with this one also. So it's taking a little time to load up because of the internet. So I'll come back to this one. So let's go here. Okay. Now, see how this is here? What we're going to do is we're going to add a new layer. We're going to put order now right here. We're going to click on there. Or let's put get yours today. So then we want to spread it out, highlight it, put it in the center, bold it, make it white, change the font to Georgia, and your size, let's go about 38. Spread it so it fits. Grab the crossbar, slide it over about right there. Okay, background, let's make it a little darker so it stands out. There we go. You can make your words go up. See where it says padding? Just decrease that. Watch how it goes up. See, it's going up. So put that there. Now we want to link this to my online store, which is urbanwear.org. So we're going to highlight. Oh. Okay. And let's type in .org. This is the store we're trying to get to right there. So boom. So now you have a hyperlink there. And let's animate this one also. So we're going to wait 0.5 seconds. And we're going to make it wobble. And then you go 1.2 seconds and you're going to make it pulse. Then you hit save. Okay. You go ahead and close that. And we don't need two of these, so let's get rid of that one. So let's see what we could do with this page here. Let me see what we could do with this one. I kind of like this one the way it is. You could just do something for fun. Like you could put an image in there. Let me show you how to do an image real quick. Go here. Insert image from library, and let's just say you want to put this image here. Just say it. We'll put any image. Now look at that. Isn't that cool? So you put that there, and we're going to move it over. Just say we wanted this image to be right here. Okay. And you could put a hyperlink on there. You could make it animate. I mean, we wouldn't use this image, but I'm just giving an example. So you make it flip in. And then after 1.4, you're going to make like speed out. Then you hit save. Okay. And you hit close. Now you can do whatever image you want. Maybe you have a single and you got you rapping on stage and you want that to be on your slider. Then you could do that with an image. Or you could put whatever image you want. Okay. So let's go ahead and, I think I saved it, but let's just make sure. And we're going to hit close. Now, we're going to save this slider. Now this one here, the slider we have right now, is just real basic. It's going like that. Just boom, it's just fading. But we're going to make them slide. Okay, so the effect that we want is the, see right now we have the fade. But we're going to change it to slide. Then you're going to go down to your advanced settings. You want to hit center align. And you want it to autoplay. And then you want it to be random. Okay? So that way the same slide doesn't play the first time all the time. Alright? And we're going to hit save. And then you could change the speed at which the slides change. This is your speed. We're going to do 7,000 milliseconds. Animation speed, let's make it quick. Let's put 100. Okay. All right. Now, to enable this slider, because right now the slider we have is this one. To enable this slider, you go to Appearance, go to Theme Settings, and you want to go to Home, and you want to select your home page slider 2. Hit Save Settings. Now let's see what kind of slider we have. Hit refresh. There you go. See the little picture, how it faded away? All right. Go to the next one. Order now. It's flashing. Go to the next one. Get yours today. Wobbles. Lights up. Pretty cool, huh? We didn't add anything to that one. So there's the little picture. Light speed out. You could put whatever picture you want. Right here we have a film strip. You could change that. The way you change that. I'm not a fan of film strips, but I just put it there so you can see it. Okay, you scroll down, go to advanced settings. I'm sorry, not advanced settings. Where's it at? It's right here. See where it says navigation? You could do hidden, you could do dots, or you could do thumbnails. Let's do dots. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And the arrows, that's what's on the side. You know, these little arrows right here. So now we're going to put some dots right here. So let's refresh. We're going to get rid of the film strip and we're going to put dots after we refresh it. Let's see how it looks. This is just, bonus tutorial so you could take your sliders of your website to the next level. And like I said, if you're a graphic designer or you know a graphic designer, they could make some real nice sliders for you. And man, it'll add so much to your website. And I hope this class and this tutorial has really helped you out. You have no excuse now. Your church should have a website. Even your youth ministry can have its own website. Maybe you're a rapper or singer. You want to get your own website for your music group. Now's the time. Maybe you got a business. You want to do your own business website. Then you could do that too. I'm telling you, it's 2015. It's time to take your online presence to the next level. You have no more excuses. And this course is very reasonable price. Okay. So there's the little dots. You can choose the dots that you want. Okay, and there's the arrows. And we got our little effects going on. See that? Pretty cool, huh? Next effect. Oh, that we didn't put one on that. Next effect, order now. Blinks. Get yours today. And the cool thing about it is it has hyperlinks. So if I want to order your music, I click order now, and it's going to take me to your music page, and I can buy it. All right, let's move on. Okay, what I want to do now is show you how to write a blog. What you want to do is go to your dashboard, go to post, and you hit add new. Okay, you could call this my second blog. Hello everyone, how are you feeling? I trust you are having a great day. So you could have your blog there, whatever you want to put in your blog. I'm sure it won't be that short. Okay. And then you go over here. You could add a category. My blogs. Okay. Enter. So you put it in that category. You could put tags, Pastor Dre, blog, music, ministry, hit add. You could put a feature image from your media library. You can upload one. I'll just go ahead and put this image here. Okay. You can put whatever one you want. Then you hit publish. Okay. So now what's going to happen is this little post updater here is automatically going to update. When I refresh, it's going to add the next blog. Watch how that works. There it is. Now you have two blogs. My first post, my second blog. And they click on it. Here's your blog. Hello everyone, how are you feeling? I trust you're having a great day. And I'm sure your blog will be a little bit longer. Let me show you how to add a picture to your blog. So you go here, add media. And let's just use our same faithful picture. Like I said, you can use whatever one you want. Put that there. Insert. Uh-oh. That's not right. I want to add media. Insert into post. But you got to go to visual. Okay. There you go. Now, to change that for your writing, see how you have this here? You can make your writing go like that. Let me show you. So if you put the writing in the middle, you can make it on the right-hand side. Put your picture on the right-hand side. See how it's changing it? You can put the picture in the middle, or you can make it go to the left. So your picture's on the left of the writing. So whatever you write is always on the left, see? Like that. Okay? It's pretty cool. And then you hit update. Then let's go ahead and refresh our second blog. Now we should have a picture. There we go. It's a picture in your blog. Alrighty, and let me just show you something in this next lecture that's pretty cool. Let's move on. What I want to show you now is how simple it is to adjust your home page with the Vantage theme. As you can see here, we have our header, menu, slider, 3 icons, the Welcome to Pastor Dre banner, and then the post, and then the information. I want to show you how easy it is to move this to the bottom, this right here, move it to the bottom, or move this up, however you want to do it. Let me show you. Go to Appearance, and then you're going to click on Home Page. And it's easy to add, take away, however you want to do it. See this headline? You can move it down, just like that. You can move the whole thing by grabbing this and going down. Okay, so let's save it and let's see what happened now. So our headline won't be in the middle no more. It's going to be below the blogs. Watch. See? So you can do it like that. Pretty cool, huh? Let me show you how to add one. You want to add a row. Make it one row. You can make it our columns, you know, boom, like that. Add 4 columns, 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to put 1. And then you click here, you add widget. And let's just mess around and say we want to do a visual editor. Or you could do text. Okay, let's go ahead and hit delete. And let's put text. So you add widget. And you can put text. So you could just type, you know, whatever you want. However you want to do it. But let's go back and we're going to put visual editor, and I'm going to put an image. So add widget, visual editor, edit, and we're just going to put our let's put our banner there, but it could be whatever image you want. So you got visual, add media, and we're going to go to our image library, media library. We're going to scroll down. We're going to grab our banner, insert to post. You can resize it. Cool, huh? You can make it in the middle. Maybe bigger, smaller, however you want to do it. Okay. Now let's just say we like that. You could put a hyperlink. Make it go to your home page. Or whatever page you like. So let's just make our home page. And hit update. Hit done. So let's go ahead and see how that looks. We just added this right here. Let's see how that looks. Once again, this is bonus material just to show you some cool things you could do. So now we should have a banner on our website. There it is. See? You click it and it takes us back to our home page. So you could probably find something pretty cool to do with that. Now to get rid of it, all you got to do is go here, hit delete, and you click this. Oops, sorry. You click here, delete row. Are you sure? Yes. Say we want to move our headline back up. You grab it and you put it there. You can move your headline to the same place as your post, like that. You can move it to the right, like that. Me, I'm not a fan of the loop thing or the text on the bottom. So say I wanted to get rid of that. I just hit edit. I just hit delete and it'll get rid of it. Okay, then I hit save. Now I'm not going to have any text on the bottom. It's going to get rid of this writing right here. Hit refresh. Maybe you like it, it's your preference. It's your website. There you go. So now everything's back to where it was before I took out the text. Okay. So these are some cool bonus material. Hope it's helping you out. Okay, now what I want to show you how to do is how to change the color of your icons here on your home page. Okay, see, so you have these three icons. I'm going to show you how to change the color. So what you want to do is go to Appearance and Customize. Okay, once you get to Customize, you're going to go to Theme Design and you're going to go to Widgets. See that there? You're going to go to Widgets. Okay, now here's what the color we have now. So let's see if we can make it gray or blue. I think it's kind of already a dark gray. So the way you change it, see where these says select color? You click that. See how it went to blue? I kind of like that blue there. Kind of like it like that. So you hit save. And then you could also change the color of the actual image in the widget by going here. You can move it down, move it around. You can make it black, make it red, however you want to do it. I kind of like the white. And then you hit save. And there you have it. You've adjusted the color of your widget. So now when we go to our home page and hit refresh, we're going to have the blue and white widgets. There it is. Okay, let's move on to the next lecture. All right, everybody. Well, we're almost done. I just want to show you one more last lecture, and then we'll wrap it up. But there's this great plugin called Stack. It brings so much to your website. You could do opt-ins, you could do surveys, you could do countdown timers, you could do videos, images. So you have to pay for it, but if you want to add a whole nother level to your website, I want to show you how to do that real quick. All you got to do is go to stackplugin.com. Okay, now when you go to stackplugin.com, it's going to pop up this page. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, and you can get the plugin for like $27 for a single license. Multi-license, you can get it for $47, or developer license for $67. Just click buy now. It'll take you through the whole process, and they're going to email you a file that you need to download. Okay, now once you get that file in your email, you download it. This is how you're going to add it to your website. Okay, you go to plugins. Okay, add new, upload plugin, choose file. Ours is downloaded in our downloads, so I'm going to go ahead and get our file. Downloads, plugins. It's called Stack. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and install now. I want to show you what this could do. It's an awesome plugin. It adds so much to your website, church website, business website, music group website. You could do, people could sign up to your email list. It's pretty cool. So let me just show you how it works. It's installing. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. I'll be right back. Okay, it's done installing. Once it installs, you're going to click Activate Plugin. Okay. Now, once you activate the plugin, you're going to have a little thing here that says Stack. You click on that. So I'm going to show you real quick. I got to enter my license. Let me go get that. Okay, I've entered my license key, and we're ready to go. Now, what you want to do, once you click Stack, this is going to pop up. All you got to do, and it comes with tutorials, support. You click Create New to start your first one. Now, you could do opt-ins, media, timers, surveys, offers. So let's just do something real quick. Say you want to do media. Okay, you got a new song you want people to hear. So we're going to call this My New Song. And here's the pages that you could decide you want it to pop up on. We're going to say we want it to pop up on the home page. Set your trigger action. You could do timed, click away, scroll, timed, and click away. What time and click away is you set a time that it pops up. And if they try to click away, it pops up. So it does both of them. You could do scroll, certain percentage of the page. Say they scroll down 50% of your page, it pops up. Or click away. We're going to do, let's do time and scroll. So it's going to come pop up at about 7 seconds once they're on my site, and then 68% if they scroll down the site. Okay. Display limits, you can say 1 per visit, 1 per hour, 1 per day, once, only, ever. We're going to say 1 per visit for now. You have it to swing in. That's what we want it to do. Button animation, no. Animation interval, no. Okay, now this is your background settings. So when your pop-up comes up, this is the color of your, that's here, your background setting, and this is going to be your background color. So we're going to set the opacity at, let's say, 30%. Animation, no. Okay, then we'll go over here. The template we want is we're going to do media. Okay, let's do media and a timer. I'm going to show you how the timer works also. Okay, and then we want it to be in the middle of the page, and we don't really have a message, and we don't want to redirect them to our URL. You can send them to a URL of your MP3 download. So let's just do that. We'll send them to PastorDre.com. But here you could put your MP3 link or URL, which is pretty cool. All right, so the media, you're going to design what's going to be on your media. So you could tell it video only, include border. So we're going to do video. Let's do video. And we're going to include a border. And we're going to include the X. That's where they could close it when it pops up. So we're going to go get one of our YouTube videos. Okay. Pastor Dre, let's get this one. Okay, so I'm going to get the, oops. I'm going to get the link here. And then we're going to paste it right here. It's our URL. Okay, you could have it autoplay. Let's see, do you want to autoplay? You could have controls and you could force HD. Let's just select that for now. Now, say you come in and you say, hey, what's up? This is rapper so-and-so, or hi, I'm the pastor of a certain church, and we have our new CD series we'd like you to get. You could do so much with this video. And you could say for a limited time only. So then you could put a timer on the top, and you say timer only. You could include a border, include the X to close it, include the month, include the year. But we're going to do it like this. Okay, we're just going to leave it basic, and we're going to choose a date, countdown. We're going to go till Sunday. Okay. All right, so we got 1 day, 18 hours, like that. In message, you could say deal has ended, or however you want to do it. And then you hit save changes. Okay. Now, you could preview your stack, how it would look on your website. So when people go to your website, after 7 seconds, it's going to pop up, or if I scroll down a certain percentage of the page. So there's the pop-up, boom, and they can view the video. The video starts automatically. This is great. I'm telling you, if you have music, you got a CD, you got an MP3, your music can start, or you could do a personal video saying, hey, what's up? This is so-and-so. I want to invite you to check out my new release, or check out our Sunday services or revival. It starts in 1 day, 18 hours. So it could be so cool. All right. So let's go back over here to publish the stack. You just go back to your dashboard and you hit publish stack. Once you publish it, it's up and running. So if we go, and here's where you can edit it and check all your analytics and all that good stuff. How many people have viewed it and opened it. So once we refresh PastorDre.com, I'm going to show you the percentage of the scroll now. Since we waited for the 7 seconds of the last one, let me show you the scroll option. So when they come down and they scroll down a certain percentage of the site, it's going to pop up. I think I put 68. See? So it pops up. There you go. So this is a great plugin. Of course, you got to pay for it, but I'm telling you, it's well worth it. It'll add so much features to your website. Well, I hope this tutorial has really helped you out and help you get your online presence to the next level, man. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. I want to thank you for taking this class, and talk to you later. God bless. What's up, everybody? Congratulations, you have finished the course. Now you have no excuses. not to take your online game to the next level. Whether it's for your church, your business, your youth ministry, or your music group. It's 2015. It's time to take your online presence to the next level. Now, if you have any questions, you can email me, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com, or you can stop by my website, PastorDre.com. And there's also another website that's real good, has a lot of tutorials on how to help you build a website, and that's creatingwebsite.org. So go ahead and stop by there today. You'll find a lot of good tutorials. So once again, I want to thank you for taking the course. Take your online game to the next level. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.